Guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with an unboxing from Design by Humans. Recently I did 2 videos on my channel showing you how to create a new account and how to upload your first products on Design by Human. So I have 3 products here. I got a mouse pad, a sticker, and a shirt from Designs by Human that I'll be showing you guys. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I ordered these products on March 31st, and the first couple of products arrived on April 3rd, and then the last product, which was the shirt, arrived on 4/6. So the mouse pad was $12, the sticker was $1.50, and the shirt was $14.50. So I have all 3 of the products right here that I'll be unboxing. I'll just go ahead and do the sticker first. I can't remember if I did a video of me ordering the products, but this is what the sticker came in. It really reminds me of how like the little red envelope that the Redbubble stickers come in. So it really reminds me of Redbubble. So I got the Let Your Success Make the Noise sticker here. Really nice product, really nice feel. That's the thickness of the sticker there. And I believe that was the only thing that came in here, so it was just the sticker. Put that to the side. I believe this is the mouse pad. So it came in a tube. And I don't know what size this is. Sorry, I think there's different sizes, but I don't know what size this is. So this is a pretty good size right here. It might be a 12 by 12. So I just like set it on my desk, it's a nice size. So quality is really thick. The print looks really good. Sorry guys. The print looks really good. The colors are true to what I uploaded. And it's thick. Look at that. Very thick. Good quality. It has that back padding on it so it can lay flat. So when I lay it here, it lays flat, no bubbles or anything, even though it was rolled up. So I'm going to roll it back up and put it here in my tube. Set that aside and out of the way. And the shirt. So the shirt was the one that came like 3 days later. They all came from the same place. As soon as I open it, what I see here is like a little thing. Oh, and a Design by Human holographic sticker popped out. It told me that I got a medium crew tee, and sad to say, right off the rip, I see that the color of my design is not true to, it's not like, it looks orange compared to what this design should be. So on camera it might look that's what it looks like. It looks orange, and this is supposed to be like a brown hand. So, and I did this on purpose. I ordered a colorful design to see. Like the black and the white looks really crisp, but this is not the true color. It's actually the same sticker. It's actually the same as the sticker. So I don't know. Like I have another one and it does not look like, these colors are definitely off. Even the nails don't look the same. Or the gold, I don't know. It looks horrible. I'll still wear the shirt, but this is definitely not the quality that I was expecting. So the shirt feels good. The shirt quality is good. The design is supposed to be like a brown hand, about my skin color, and this looks completely like orange. So I'll see if I can reach out and get a reprint just to see how that works. But yeah, also on the tab it says Designed by Humans, empowering independent creators, and it says www.designsbyhuman.com, and the brand is Toltex Premium 502 for the shirt. So you can see that. Really nice quality shirt. So I like the quality of the shirt. The design just did not meet my expectations, okay? So that is my unboxing with Designs by Human. Again, it did not take long for these products to come. Some arrived in 3 days, and then the shirt arrived in 6 days, which they could have kept because the design doesn't look good. So if you want to try Design by Humans out, go ahead and sign up. Check out the other videos, learn how to sign up and create your account and to start selling. So I will eventually in the future order more products just to test out the quality and upload them to my channel as well. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.